Once upon a time, there was a prince of the Sixth King, but sadly he was denied by his own father.
Hey, father, is he the family?
Yes, he is. But don't bother worry about him, my son. There's no chance you'll be the heir. Yes, he is. But as I have told you, my sons, you two are my first sons. Now, I have a very important announcement to make. My people, as you may know, now I can still rule the country. However, I'm no longer young and strong, and soon I will need a successor. Since the Lunar New Year festival is coming here, I have decided that whichever prince who can come up with the best offerings to our ancestor will become the next ruler of this empire.
And so the two brothers started the campaigns.
Wait, the selection isn't fair. Favor is the soul. I'm not sure.
The first brother asked his uncle to search for the brothers to make the drawing. Meanwhile, the second brother tried to find the most famous animals and most productive of the country. Both brothers were very poor and helpless. Very nervous.
What do I have to do?
Time passed. The deadline was very close and others still didn't have any idea. But one night, an incident happened.
More precious than the rice. Just use the best rice to make two different cakes. One cake is square shape, made of fat, meat, green beans, spices, in general, all things on the ground, and it will be covered by green leaves. This cake is a representative of the ground. The second cake is round shape, made of the finest and stickiest rice. This cake is a representative of the sky. Cook the cakes in boiling water overnight. Any questions? No. Okay, back to sleep.
The next day, Daniel woke up and could not believe in his dream. He quickly checked out his phone.
Oh my God! It's true! I have to find my friends.
Daniel quickly went around finding his farmer's friend, and he found them smashing the rice.
Oh my God! Here you are, my friends. I just had a very, very weird dream.
What dream? Your friend first. Tell us exactly.
Oh my God! It appeared to be my dream.
What? A god? What kind of god?
I'm not sure. I think it's the god of agriculture.
Hey, old friends, right?
Yeah. This morning, SMS telling us about some guys needing help. You're right.
I don't know. Okay, so
So he gave me a recipe to make two kinds of cake. And to make the cake, I mean, you guys have to predict it. Are you willing to help me?
God and us stand by your side. What you just tell us what you need us to do.
Okay, so I need you to prepare for me the finest sticky rice that you can find. And for both you guys, and you guys help me to cut down some meat for the meat.
They brought back all the things that Daniel asked for.
Yeah, for you. Guess to do it.
Daniel and the helpers stayed up very late that night to prepare for the cakes. The cakes were boiled over the night, and everything was just ready for the morning of the celebration.
Hey, check.
Whoa, this is wonderful. Okay, guys, let's bring the cake to the King's Palace. Come on, go.
Meanwhile, the king's palace was bustling with people and activities. Everyone was very excited of the celebration.
Well, isn't today the day we have all been waiting for? Now, my sons, let's see what have you brought to our ancestors.
Servants, bring forth the goods. Father, I'm sure they are the finest yams in the whole universe.
Well, this seems precious indeed.
Thank you, Father.
Now let's see what your brother has brought.
My father, I present to you the most precious offerings made from the most magnificent animals in the world.
Yeah, very magnificent, thank you. Okay. So, before this, perhaps the most difficult decision in my life. Yeah, you're right, sorry. Obviously, both of the princes have tried their best to bring the best offerings to my ancestors. However, only one can become king. Therefore, all hail because I have decided the next king of this empire is... Father! Well, isn't it Leo?
Yes, Father. I come here to bring to you offerings for the ancestor. Here are the two cakes that I have made. The square cake consists of rice, meat, green leaves, represents the earth. And the round cake is made from rice, represents the sky. I have put all of my efforts to the celebration today.
Since you have said so, okay, I'll tell you this. Or you will rise into. My people, things have changed instantly. I realize that over the past years, I have lived a life full of power but without any true happiness. However, today, Nanlio and his two texts have helped me to realize the true values of simple things in life, such as the labor of the people and rice. Therefore, for his hard work and respect, I have decided that the next king of this empire shall be Lang Wei. Silence! I have another announcement to make.